Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Google form you'll add to Linktree. Open the form, check settings, collect emails or limit responses if you need that data, because Linktree will simply host the link. Once done, click Send, then the link icon and copy the URL. Use the shortened link option to keep it tidy. Make sure the form's sharing permissions allow anyone with the link to respond. Otherwise, visitors will be blocked when they arrive. Now you add that form to your Linktree. Log into your Linktree dashboard and click Add New Link. Paste the copied Google form URL into the URL field. Name the link with a clear title so visitors know what to expect, and upload a thumbnail if needed to increase click-through. Once pasted, toggle the link active. Make sure it appears in the right order on your list. You can drag to reorder links, so position the form where visitors will see it first. Finish by verifying the live experience. Click the Linktree profile link and open the Google form from both mobile and desktop, because behavior can differ across devices. If the form won't load, recheck the Google Forms sharing permissions and confirm you pasted the exact URL into Linktree. Typos happen. Make sure no redirect blockers interfere. Finally, use Linktree Analytics to monitor clicks and confirm visitors are reaching and completing your form. Adjust placement if engagement is low.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.